Hi, my name is Piper, and this is my third video. And so I did two videos today, one in the morning, and now I'm doing one at night. Well, I was with my mom, so this video is just going to be about ways to survive in a tornado. So, mostly people go down in their basement. You gotta get to the lowest level in your house. You gotta go down to the basement. If you have more stairs down there, go down there. And remember, you should bring a helmet because a helmet could offer some protection. Or if you're X out the basement, because if you don't have a basement, what could you do? First, I think sometimes people get under. This is not really happening, but sometimes people get under a sturdy table, and you should cover yourselves with blankets and pillows to offer you some protection. And get away from all the windows, and never try to outrun a tornado. If you are a tornado catcher, that's fine. If you know how to handle a tornado, that's fine. But if you do not get to the lowest level in your house, but now, if you were driving and you hear a tornado warning, or you see a tornado, or you even hear a tornado siren, what should you do? So you're like, I'm in my car. Maybe I should just drive to my house? No. Do not drive home. If you have a jacket, get under the window and cover yourself with a jacket. Don't be up and looking for a tornado. Do not do it. Get down under your window and cover yourself with if you have a blanket or a pillow in your car, that's very interesting, but cover yourself with that. And if you have a jacket, that too. And if you have a helmet, that too. But you're what? It can lift up my car. Here's a safer reason. If you find any ditch or the lowest level in you're in a place or in a field, get down there, cover yourself with your hands like this, cover your head, and wait there until the tornado sirens go off. Do not peek, because if you peek, that could be the end. Just stay down there and wait until everything is clear. But if you're well, I don't see any ditch, why don't I just stay here and look for the tornado? Do not do it. I'm telling you, people, do not do it. Oh my goodness. That wasn't me. That was my dad. He has the worst farts. No offense, he does. Well, when he eats pineapple, they are the worst. Pineapple. They are the worst farts in the world. You can never think that. Okay. Sorry for that fart interruption. Okay. So, if you're just there's no ditch. maybe I'll just stay here and watch with the tornado. Don't do it! Find a place very near to you. Find any place, even a store. Find any place. It's crazy. Okay. Find any place and just find any place. If it has stairs downstairs, please go down them. You should find a movie theater because it has like downstairs things. Go down all of them. I don't care how many steps, just go down all of them. If it has more, go down those. So any place right next to you can save your life. So that is all the tornado information you need to know. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment to see what do you need to learn about tornadoes. Bye!